Hi, Professor. My name is Gaoyuan Huang. This is my film recommender system. I will try to go through the demo as quickly as possible. So when users open me Python file, they will see this part, and if they run this, they'll get instructions for them to run test examples. So this not is just the actually just the introduction of each function they can use, and I have clearly write the instructions and explanation for them. Let's just see the result I get here. So the most important function is recommend me. It will give you several films to rate. These are the most um, popular films in the data set according to a feature named popularity, and I randomly retrieve some of them to rate, and I set the limit is 15. We need 15 ratings to calculate your recommendation. So after I successfully enter the 15, and they will compute and recommendations, and this result is quite new for me. I know this film is good and this film is good. I haven't seen them before. So, and then we can customize the function by entering some parameters like show rating equals 2, and I can see my ratings. If I can control the number of recommendations I get here, and the limit is 90. Yeah, and then it can control also not to re-rank. Actually, sometimes the re-rank the data the re-ranked recommendation is very different from what we get here. We can get before. Yeah, sometimes there's just a little difference. And this is the part that I compare the baseline model. It let's just skip it. And so the another very important function is recommend user. So user can enter their ID or some other people's ID, and they will get predict recommendations. Also, there's random user function for them to play, just randomly retrieve someone's prediction. Also, there's function for them to rate for fun, just to rate films, Titanic or Glue. And I don't know this. This I don't know. Spy game, I don't know. Okay, yeah, I'll give it 3. Okay, then we can exit, and I also can control the novelty degree. Because there are 9,000 films, I can allowed to retrieve. And also we can rate according to the IMDb. Suppose I want to rate this film. I just copied the IMDb number, and I will set ratings, and I will continue, and I will rate another film. Okay, the rating is 5. So I'll exit and save, and then actually if I want to update my recommendation, I need to do it manually. Is to run recommend me again, because it takes a while, so I didn't run here, but the result did change, and you can also retrieve my data, my recommendation by recommend user after running this function. Okay. If I want to update all the predictions, I can use test update all, and the system will update all the users' prediction. Okay, this is a comparison chart. Okay, so for the recommender system structure, I built this map, and so it starts with the weighted k-means kn with means model, and I just use two. One is user based and one is item based. So those two models um, combined together as a hybrid model, and I use linear regression to minimize the RMSE and get the hybrid model, and they fit into the user rating data, and they can give the predict ratings. Actually, I use 100 top 100 ratings, and then the user gave an ID, and we retrieve the user A's non-ranked recommendations, and then we will call the content. If the user want to re-rank, then we will call the content-based model to fit the rated films to make a classification um, prediction, and then they will use the candidate films to predict whether or not the user will like the film, and then update the ratings. And actually, there are two parts. One is update the ratings. One is calculate predicting whether the user will like it or not. If there are not enough user liked films, they will rank the updated rating and give the recommendations for the rest of the films. Then the result is all the users re-ranked recommendations. This is my system. Thank you so much.